In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox purchase error that says your account has not been charged. This error usually happens when you try to buy Robux or game passes, but the payment doesn't go through correctly. Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can interrupt your purchase. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If you're using Wi-Fi, try restarting your router. Log out and log back in. Sometimes the issue is caused by a session glitch. Log out of your Roblox account, then log back in. After that, try making the purchase again. Clear your cache and cookies. If you're on a browser, cache data may cause conflicts. Go to your browser settings, clear cache and cookies, then reload Roblox. For mobile users, clear the Roblox app cache in your device settings. Update Roblox app. Outdated versions of the app may trigger purchase errors. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates. Install the latest version and try again. Use a different payment method. Sometimes, the payment method you're using might be the problem. If you're on mobile, try switching between Google Play, Apple Pay, or a credit card. On PC, try PayPal or Roblox gift cards. Wait for Roblox servers to respond. Occasionally, the Roblox servers might be down or overloaded. Visit the Roblox status page to check if there's an outage. If so, wait for a while before trying again. Contact Roblox support. If none of the above works, the best option is to contact Roblox support. Go to the Roblox support page, select billing and payments, and submit a ticket with details of your error. Make sure to include your account username, the device you're using, and the payment method. Tips: always make sure your payment details are up to date. If you're under 18, ask a parent or guardian to check if parental controls are blocking purchases. Avoid making repeated purchase attempts too quickly. It might temporarily lock your payment method. And that's it. You now know how to fix the Roblox purchase error. Your account has not been charged. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share,